Hello, welcome back. Let's go into some quick tech news for the past week. There is an interesting Linux laptop survey revealing the most popular Linux laptop brands, distros, and other details. A survey of about 30,000 responses. Let's take a look at this. When buying a new laptop, the most important thing was build quality, followed by performance. Okay, I'll buy that. Stuff Linux users do on their Linux laptop. Number one was web browsing. The last thing was gaming. That surprises me a little bit. Is the laptop preloaded with Linux? Apparently no. They still prefer Windows, for better or for worse. Do Linux users often dual boot their laptops? Apparently no. It says here, surely putting up virtual machines is a lot easier. Is it? I'm not so sure about that because performance is not the same. And it says here that dual booting sucks sometimes. I've been dual booting for 7 years. I have no idea what they're talking about. The most popular Linux distribution for a laptop is Ubuntu. Let's see, Ubuntu's number one, followed by Arch Linux, Debian, and Fedora. The most popular laptop brand for Linux users is Lenovo. I love Lenovo. I love ThinkPads. If you're in the market for a computer or a laptop, definitely check out Lenovo or ThinkPads. I have several. They are awesome. I'll have links for that below in the show notes if you're interested. And we have preferred screen size and GPU and so on and so forth and so on. What's the most painful thing about Linux laptops? Bugs? Incompatible display hardware. Proprietary drivers. Yeah. Tell me about it. What should the price be for Linux laptops? Oh, $175? Well, according to this, it should cost less than $800, while a considerable percentage could even afford $1,600 or even higher for a Linux laptop. Really? That surprises me a little bit. Alright, let's move on to the next story. Linux malware and attacks are on the rise. Apparently last year attacks on Linux rose while it declined for Microsoft. I suppose that means that Linux is getting more popular thanks to me. Yeah, I know it's my fault. What can I say? Well, I wanted to thank everybody yesterday who joined me for Surviving YouTube, a live event. We talked about what is going on this year with YouTube, the advertiser boycott, the rest of the fun stuff, and how you can support your favorite YouTube channels, including this one, Total OS Today. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes. Once again, thank you to all of you who joined in, and thanks to my Patreon supporters. I'm assuming you guys would like to remain anonymous. However, if you send me an email, I will definitely reply to you. I reply to everybody sooner or later. Finally, some entertainment news. It appears that Daniel Craig will return as Mr. Bond in the 25th installment of the James Bond series. Ah, Mr. Bond, they will make you an offer you cannot refuse. You will support Total OS Destruction today. Goodbye, Mr. Bond.